Hello everyone. Last week's The Young Chronicle was very interactive and informative, and it covered a very interesting piece on how solar flares occur and the recent butterfly shaped solar flare. There was also a quiz and an activity around it that you can scan the QR codes and actually perform. It spoke about LCD writing tablets and how they work, and there's an entire video covered by our junior journalist on this topic as well in the paper ahead. Of course, you can click on these links and participate in the activity and quiz as well and earn some points. Um, Sudha Murthy's famous book, Wise and Otherwise, there's a review on that. Then again, there's a article on the big blue whale heart and how it was preserved. And here is our junior journalist talking about it. So almost all articles have a small 30-second video around it where our junior journalists have actually described the article. So there's one remembering Kalpana Chawla. There's also some gossip. There are topics that will be covered this week, that is. There's a snapshot of the last week. Of course, then why don't humans have fur? So we also have interesting topics covered by our junior journalists on this. Of course, Google's rollout of Bard in competition to ChatGPT. Then again, NASA unveils new spacesuits for the moon mission, and there's a short video by a junior journalist on that as well. Mayan site hidden beneath the Guatemalan rainforest. Then there's Indian hockey teams ranking, world ranking. There are more sports articles, and then of course Earth's oldest ice that's been uncovered in Antarctica. And then there are several activities and craft videos that you can perform at home. So that's what the Young Chronicle is all about. It's all about being interactive and informative and interesting at the same time. So hope you liked it and you'd like to subscribe to it. There's a subscription link in our bio. Thank you.